Welcome to HerbeeLife, your ultimate destination for all things health and wellness. If you are passionate about living a healthier, happier life, you've come to the right place. On this channel, we explore a holistic approach to well-being, whether it's nourishing your body with nutritious recipes, finding balance through mindful practices, or discovering the healing power of nature. From natural remedies to fitness tips, from stress management to self-care rituals, HerbeeLife is here to guide you on your journey to better health. I'm Sanjana, the creator behind HerbeeLife, and I believe that wellness is a journey, not a destination. My goal is to inspire you to take small, sustainable steps toward a healthier life, one that's full of vitality and joy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Join our growing community on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and let's embark on this wellness journey together. HerbeeLife, your path to holistic wellness starts here.